Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Do you want to clean up your Snapchat friends list and keep it to just the people you really know? In this video, I will show you how to remove multiple friends on Snapchat. Let's go. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't have an easily accessible remove all friends button. While some third-party applications claim to provide this functionality, they often come with the risk of exposing your credentials. For your safety, I recommend sticking with the built-in method. Here's how to quickly unfriend someone within the app. First, head over to your Snapchat profile and navigate to My Friends. Simply tap and hold on the friend you want to remove. Select Manage Friendship and confirm with Remove Friend. To speed things up, you can use the alphabet filter to view friends by their first letter, or the search bar to find specific people. Just repeat the steps until your Snapchat friends list is clean. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.